Hi, in this series of the videos, I will be taking you through the journey of understanding MySQL Relational Database Management System. Why do we call MySQL Relational Database Management System? We call it relational because it supports relations between the tables. These relations allow us to specify the relationship between one record and the other. Let's say we've got a student enrollment system. We've got course data in one table and we've got student data in the other table. If we were using flat system, we would be simply creating the record with all student information, and within the same record we would be also storing the course information, which means every time student would sign up to the same course, the course information would be duplicated. This is exactly why we are using relationships. We're trying to avoid duplicating records. Now, when did it happen and why we are actually using databases? Well, I don't want to bore you too much, but the main benefit of using database system is that obviously a long time ago people were using paper. I mean, there are still companies, don't get me wrong, there are still companies which are using paper, sadly enough, rather than databases. But the benefits are just huge. I mean, have a look at this. Paper can be easily damaged and it can be easily lost, obviously, as well. Having database, you can create a backup. You can upload this backup to the remote server. So even if your computer crashes, your whole computer got even burned or whatever else can happen with the computer, you still have all the information stored on the remote server. So you can restore them whenever you purchase a new computer. Then the other thing is the searching. If you've got thousands of records, then obviously if you were about to go and find one of them, one of the specific records going through the thousands of papers, then obviously it could take you even weeks. Now, having a database, using the SQL statements, you can find the specific record within seconds. Yes, within seconds. I'm not exaggerating. So that's another benefit. Now, information structure. If you've got a good information structure, as I've mentioned earlier, you can avoid duplicating records. And obviously, relationships is what's helping us here. Now, another thing is environment. Using databases, obviously less trees are going down. So there are plenty of benefits of using databases. In the following videos, we'll learn how to create MySQL database, how to create different types of tables, how to define relationships between those tables, how to insert, edit, and retrieve information from the tables using different SQL statements, and many more. So let's move to the next video.